How to unignore messages on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, ignoring messages is unlike restricting or blocking messages. And I have a video on the channel that will show you exactly how you can ignore messages on Messenger even if you don't have the option and even if your Messenger app is updated to the new update which doesn't have the ignoring messages option. So once you do that and ignore a person, this is how you can unignore it. As I mentioned in that video, when you ignore a person, the chat will be moved to the spam folder. So open up the Messenger app, and then click on the profile icon at the top left of the screen. And once you're here, click on message requests, and then click on the spam tab, and here you will find the chat that you ignored. So click on it. Once the chat has opened, what you need to do in order for you to unignore this person is simply send him a message. Click send. And when you do that, this person will be automatically unignored, as you can see right here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unignore people in chats on the Messenger app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.